Guys, I'm gonna telling you here that I'm not the designer, I'm not the photographer, but as you can see here, this is the picture of the product that I would like to practice, and surprisingly this looks professional. And could you believe that to create this one you just need the picture of your product and also the spatial AI to create this one? Isn't that cool, right? How to do that? It is very simple, so stay tuned and I'm gonna show you how to do it. So guys, surprisingly, the tool that we can use over here is the Pippit AI again, guys. Ooh, isn't that cool, right? So please don't miss your time to create something or masterpiece or create your everything that comes to your mind with this Pippit AI. And please don't worry to make mistake, because you will start to master to create your design or your video after all this time, guys. And the tool that you can use over here is the image studio, and you can go to the product posture. As you can see here, that this product posture, a lot of samples that you can use and also adjust to your product. For example, since I would like to create the product posture for the skincare, aka the sunscreen, so you can adjust the picture and which one you would like to fit in. And for example, since the sunscreen usually used for the outdoor, or actually there are the people that use it daily even though in the indoor, but usually used for preventing the UVA UVB, right? So I will choose this picture that in the sandy beach like this, and you can simply click this, the change product. Why I click the change product? Because previously it was a bottle. I don't know if it is the nail polish. If you click the create similar, you will see this is the simple prompt that portray about the overall look, and you can do the adjustment to upload the picture over here. But in case you need the fastest way to do that, so I will recommend you to use this change product, and you can start to click device to upload the picture, for example this one, and kindly wait for the generation process. And surprisingly, to create this product posture also really in a tiny credit, guys. As you can see here, after this AI remove the background, you can start to generate it, which means mock up the picture, the background with this product picture, guys. Because as you can see, if we don't generate it, so the picture only gonna be like this. It's kind of raw and unnatural, guys. So, and if you would like to enhance this prompt, then you can click it. But if you are the beginner, don't worry, you don't have to do that, and you can still do the editing from the scratch. And after you prepare the prompt, you can continue to generate, and as you can see, it will consume 2 credits per use, and click it. And after I click the generation for the prompt itself, so this will be the result. Isn't that cool, right? So this is the result I got, and the look is quite really blend with the background that is the sandy beach and also the product. And also this Pippit AI helped to get the better lighting for this product, so it will enhance the beauty and also how this product suit with the situation. And if you like it, then you can start to download it. And since I have subscribed the package, so I got the benefit that is this picture won't have or attach with the watermark. And even you can also adjust the size if you would like to download it from this pixel to become this 2K, or we can call it as the HD, and download it. And this is the result. Isn't that cool and also beautiful, right? So please guys, don't forget to try Pippit AI as your assistant to help you out, particularly in the business or designing the product. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on the comment section, because we would love to see your comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys!